it's alright. UDC, way met my mother. Couple years later, they had my brother. Low income, no bills getting paid. Not to mention Wale is on the way. It was just the four of us, Uptown Corners, Peabody Street, venturing off Georgia. I never hugged no corner. That is not an ice cream truck, that's a coroner. Back when crack was enormous, moved it to Merlin so that couldn't harm us. Thinking I was okay, got in more trouble as I got up in age. And I was getting whooped at home to 6th grade, but it made me the man I am today. Thanks.
I was similar, plus I was born in the middle of Kill 'em up, this will make war in the cinema. Stirring up, trouble was pouring and filling up. Little nut jobs come swarming the village up. I was small in my skinny butt, had a D up like I'm all in a titty cup. Puck, puck, hit a mini mug, shitty butt. I would see brains getting splitted up. So they taught me to spray, but more importantly, taught me to pray. Oh, mama got a visa, you mean to tell me we're going to America? Now they want me to grease up, be less African and get amnesia.
Nah,
Slumdog million G's up, my past give MCs a rap season.
and I'm similar, critics fall in love when I'm spitting it. Flow unfuckwittable, niggas impotent. Mama was an immigrant, money slow coming in, no benefits. Still a nigga never hissy fit. This is the land of a white man. We don't plan it to pan out while I fight back. I just write that right by a mic stand. Write a couple checks up, a couple y'all like that. It's my fact, y'all a fiction with diction. Speak with conviction or we shouldn't listen. See where that District Columbia vision along with these Aerobot contact lenses. Oh yeah, Pop's got a visa. Think he regret coming to America? Where they cherish gangsters and not teachers. And you believe them, the rappers want be one.
K-None and Wale got money in the bank. In the T-Dot, I'm a soldier with ranks. Mark from Kingston was a gun runner. Used to call me the African done that a rap sheet was as long as a Sudanese brother. You ain't more street, so go suck your mother, I'm fresh. And yes, I rock my fedoras. Amadou and Mariam, but still no chorus. I never said oh chorus, though horoscopes couldn't scope my horrors. Rapper, please step forward, I'm a magician, so please focus. It go abracadabra, mixing potions from African forests. Oops, I'm so sorry, just turned your street cred to whole wheat porridge. K-None, Wale.
Oh man, it's been a ride, man. It's been a hell of a journey for me, man. We started off kind of just passing out CDs with motherfucking Sharpies written on the CDs, and now I'm like a couple mixtapes in. Had the mixtape of the year on. A lot of people called it last year. So you know how Jay-Z said that he wasn't really trying to go for the charts on Def Auto Tune. Like I wasn't trying to go for like mixtape of the year, like the monumental mixtape of the moment. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was more so like, I just wanted to get my rapping on, and what these niggas is trying to get their rapping on. So let's just get our rapping on.